Alright, what's up with the YouTube fam, man? I'm back again with another video. So listen, man, alright, Diddy got this shit handled within the first 24 hours, man, the first 48 business hours. And I mean, a lot of us already probably knew it was gonna go like this. I mean, he is a billionaire, and what she wanted to him could be simply used as a tax write-off. He could use it so many different ways, depending on how they came up with this agreement to settle everything amicably. You know what I'm saying? So basically what that means is they want to go ahead and just try to do this peacefully. And I mean, I'm not saying that he is guilty, but I mean, man, we done heard so much about him over the decades to the point where anything that anybody say, people gonna believe it. You know what I'm saying? And like I always say, when it's a situation like this, man, all you gotta do is just realize that when somebody go through something like this, people gonna always remember it. It's not gonna go away. And yeah, man, it's just sad and unfortunate that she had to go through whatever she had to go through. If she did go through something, and if nothing did happen, then it is what it is. You know, I hate that for him as well to have to go through the same situation. But we really just don't know. You know, like I told y'all earlier, if y'all did watch the video, I did tell y'all that I don't want to have a dog in this race because we really just don't know. We wasn't there, you know. But she wanted her money. She got her money. And some people are trying to say that she was just looking for the money and things like that. I'm pretty sure she was. You know, sometimes people can get into a situation with somebody and they can be okay with some of the things that was done to them in the past if they can be compensated, you know. I mean, shit, it is what it is. $30 million will make a lot of people go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, forget a lot of shit, you feel me? But you know, I can understand her going for that. You know, times are hard, different things are happening in life, you know, shit, jobs harder to find, different things like that. Y'all get what I'm saying when I say what I say. But overall, man, I want to know y'all thoughts and opinions on this. You know, this was one of the fastest cases I done seen handled in life. I'm pretty sure the paper still got smoke on it. How fast they got this shit signed, sealed, and delivered. And you know, I've been seeing certain people coming out saying certain things about him. You know, and I'm only saying certain things a certain way because I don't want to tarnish anybody's character, not even on no law or legal type shit. It's just, you know, being a black man in America, you know, I just want to say what I got to say correctly. But y'all know what the hell going on, and y'all can form your own opinion, so I ain't got to say too much, you feel me? I mean, for those who can comprehend, they can comprehend. For those who don't, it is what it is. We'll just catch you on the next go round. But y'all get what I say when I say what I say. But overall, man, I want to know y'all thoughts and opinions on this situation. And for those who missed the video earlier today, I'm going to go ahead and put that video back in here again. Well, majority of it anyway, so y'all can see exactly what she was going through with him, allegedly, what she was suing for, you know, all the things that took place with this situation, because I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all didn't see it. YouTube don't promote certain things on my channel like that, so a lot of y'all probably didn't get a chance to see it, but I'm gonna repost it so y'all can watch it in this video right here. And yeah, man, you know, it don't mean that he's guilty all the way 100%, but I told y'all before, if it was me, I'm not settling for shit if I didn't do nothing. I promise you. We just gonna have to go ahead and fight forever, because I'm not gonna settle for that shit. If I didn't touch you, if I didn't harm you, none of that, you feel me? So obviously, you know, everybody got their own thoughts and opinions, and they move certain ways in certain situations. But yeah, y'all know, y'all talk for me in the comments. Let me know what y'all think I'm thinking, because I'm not gonna say certain shit on here. You know what I'm saying? Just out of respect, because I don't know. But yeah, man, I'll holler at y'all later though. I'm gonna let y'all watch this and tell me your thoughts and opinions and what y'all think I'm thinking. Alright.
Really serious. First of all, this is a civil case. It's filed in federal court in New York, the District Court of the Southern District of New York. And it's under the Adult Survivors Act, which is just about to expire, but it allows someone that has allegations of this nature far in the past to bring this civil action for monetary damages. That is the justice at this point. But this young woman at the time, her name was Cassie Ventura. It was 2005. She was 19 years old, and she met and became the girlfriend and employee, she alleges, of Sean Diddy Combs of his mega record label. She was a singer herself, but she goes on to say that during this time that she was a part of the cycle of violence, physical and sexual abuse. There was uncontrollable rage. Some of the specifics she says that she was raped in her own home when she tried to leave him, that she was often beaten, kicked, punched, stomped on, resulting in bruises and burst lips, black eyes, and bleeding. That he blew up a man's car at one point when he thought that that man was interested in her, that he introduced her to a lifestyle of excessive alcohol, substance abuse, and required her to produce illicit prescriptions to satisfy his own addictions. Now, there are always two sides to every story, and his attorney has released a statement to CNN, which reads, in part, Mr. Combs denies these offenses and outrageous allegations. For the past 6 months, Mr. Combs has been subjected to Ms. Ventura's persistent demand of $30 million under the threat of writing a damaging book about their relationship, which was unequivocally rejected as blatant blackmail, baseless and outrageous lies aiming to tarnish Mr. Combs' reputation and simply seeking a payday.
All right, y'all. So listen, the act that they were just talking about was about to expire within the next week or week and a half, right? And that's why a lot of people are growing like speculations and stuff like that on why she's doing this. They really think it is a payoff that she really was looking for and didn't get it, and she got mad and things like that because she knew certain details about the case. She knew this, she knew that. Man, look, when somebody is harmed or tarnished mentally, physically, and emotionally, you can't tell them how to maneuver in that situation. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people will do their due diligence on certain things if they planning on coming out on a person. And she has a legal team who is on that as well. So you just gotta look at it from all aspects. You just can't put this woman down and try to victim shame her for really just not knowing exactly what's going on in their situation, right? But if he did do half of one of the things in the case, he should be in trouble for that, you know. But like I said before, he got a whole bunch of bad vibes and juju going on, and a lot of people should, you know, get out the way because this is gonna get very, very messy. But yeah, man, you know, like I said before, I just hate to put that on somebody without having bona fide actual facts. But they said that she needed a witness. Hell, one witness came out yesterday just off the rip. So imagine how many ready to ride with her in this situation. But P. Diddy got a lot of money though, so you know it's a lot of fighting that they finna have to do in this situation. But overall, ultimately, I want to know y'all thoughts and opinions on it. But let's get back into it.
It says just been filed. Discovery will begin. But of course, this is filed in New York. They are residents of California, but you've got Epic Records as a defendant, as well as his own record company himself. Bad boy.
Rap mogul Sean Combs, better known as Diddy, is facing serious accusations of abuse by his former girlfriend and collaborator. In a new federal lawsuit, Cassandra Ventura, known as Cassie, says Combs physically abused and her during their relationship. The suit was filed under a law that allows alleged victims to file suits past the statute of limitations for criminal charges. Combs denies the allegations. Errol Barnett has more, and a warning. Some of what you're about to hear is very disturbing.
Here you go, Sean. For years, music mogul Sean Diddy Combs and singer Cassandra Ventura are one of hip-hop's most recognizable couples. But now Ventura, known to fans as Cassie, says she spent that time, quote, trapped by Mr. Combs in a cycle of abuse, violence, trafficking.
I can see you on me too.
She says they met around 2006 when Ventura, then 19, shot to fame with her hit single, Me and You. Combs signed her to his label on a 10-album deal, but according to a civil suit Ventura filed in New York federal court Thursday, that's when the abuse began. Ventura claims Combs frequently forced her to consume drugs and alcohol and commit acts with male prostitutes while filming it. She says he also often pumped on her. The complaint also alleges that in 2018, after she tried to end their relationship, Combs raped her. An attorney for Combs denies the allegations against him and accused Ventura of blackmail, saying, quote, for the past 6 months, Mr. Combs has been subjected to Miss Ventura's persistent demand of $30 million under the threat of writing a damaging book about their relationship.
That damn book.
Combs, who has gone by aliases Puff Daddy and P. Diddy, first found success as a producer for rap legend Biggie Smalls, later winning 3 Grammys.
Sean Combs is facing a serious civil case here.
CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman says the case could prove difficult for Combs' legal team so long as Ventura has witnesses and evidence to back up her claims.
On the scales of justice, you just need one of the scales to be heavier by a feather. That's a big difference than a criminal case where the burden of proof is so much higher of beyond a reasonable doubt.
You hear what she said, right?
Now, Ventura's lawyers deny any allegations of blackmail, saying Combs offered her 8 figures to silence her. Wow.
So this was filed under New York's Adult Survivors Act, which basically allowed people to bring cases well past the statute of limitations The window to do that closes next week, so that might explain
See you next week.
Thanksgiving. And in the lawsuit, which is extensive, 35 pages, he says she's doing it so that it gives voice to other victims of this types of assault that she alleges.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to stay tuned, Errol. Thank you so much. Good to see you.
Yeah, and I will be bringing updates on the situation if I can run across some. But it seems like they're finna try to do him like they did R. Kelly, because I'm pretty sure it's finna be a magnitude of people coming out trying to get some money that aren't really victims, and victims are going to come out also who allegedly got something done to them. But like I said before, man, I really don't want to put nobody up under the bus when it comes to a situation like this. But I'm pretty sure that, you know, justice will prevail in this situation, because I'm pretty sure that anybody that's out here doing something that they shouldn't be doing, it'll come out one day. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, man, if you're a victim of anything like this, man, please get away. It's not worth it. It's not, you know, anything that's going to come out of it positive or anything like that. So why not just go ahead and get away from it? But yeah, man, like I said before, man, we've been hearing about P. Diddy since forever. And these allegations right here, boy, it's going to be hell to beat these charges, man. You know, but he got enough money to go ahead and fight everybody. So, you know, it'll be, you know, televised, and everybody will be on it pretty soon when it comes to all the other details. But other than that, man, that's all I got to say. I want to know your thoughts and opinions on this situation. And yeah, like I said before, man, if you're a victim of this, I'm sorry that it happened to you, and I hope that y'all can prevail in y'all situations. But I'll holler at y'all later, though. All right.